Namaskar students. Now continue with the numerical parts. We move in the third numerical, which is cover more parameters related with the engine performance and combustion. So continue with the problem 2. If the engine is running with the air fuel ratio of 15 and fuel heating value is around 44,000 kilojoule per kg and the combustion efficiency of is 97%. So calculate rate of fuel flow into engine, brake thermal efficiency, indicated thermal efficiency, volumetric efficiency, brake specific fuel consumption. So continue with problem 1 and taking the data from that. The mass of air in one cylinder for one cycle is calculated is around mass of air is 0.00050 kg. It is taking from the previous numerical number 1. Now mass of fuel, that is mass of fuel equal to mass of air divided by air fuel ratio. So as we know, the mass of air is 0.00050 and the air fuel ratio given in the problem is 15:1, means 15 gram is air and 1 gram is fuel. So by calculating this, we'll get the mass of fuel is 0.000033 kg of fuel per cylinder per cycle. In bracket you can see the 1 liter is equal to 1 kg and volume is the mass divided by density, and mass is the unit is kg and unit of density is kg per meter cube, and density of air is always taking as a standard particular temperature. So now calculating the rate of fuel flow or mass flow rate of fuel. So we are using the relationship of the mass flow rate of fuel equal to mass of fuel into number of cylinder into RPM of the engine divided by 2 into 60, where 2 is using for the 4-stroke engine, because in 4-stroke engine will get the power revolution after the completion of the 2 cycle or revolution. So here the mass flow rate of fuel after putting the all values will get the 0.0060 kg per second. Now calculating the brake thermal efficiency by using relation, that is NBTH equal to BHP in kilowatt divided by mass flow of fuel into QHV, that is represent the calorific value QHV and multiple by the combustion efficiency. So after putting the all values, the brake thermal efficiency will get is 0.3010, that is 30.1%. Similarly, now calculating the indicated thermal efficiency by using the relationship NRTH equal to efficiency, brake thermal efficiency divided by mechanical efficiency. So indicated thermal efficiency is 35.41%. After that we calculate the volumetric efficiency. Volumetric efficiency is mass of air divided by density of air multiplied by swept volume. So it is shows the actual breathing capacity of the engine. So after putting the values, that is mass of air is 0.0050 and density of air, here we are taking the standard value, that is at 25 degrees Celsius temperature the density of air is 1.1839 kg per meter cube. So, and swept volume as previously we calculated is 0.0005. So, volumetric efficiency after calculating the all this will get around 0.84. In percentage it is the 84 percentage. Now, the brake specific fuel consumption is BSFC equal to mass flow rate of fuel divided by the power output, that is brake horsepower in kilowatt. So, after putting the value, the BSFC calculate is in 7.76 into 10 raised power minus 5 kg per kilowatt second, or in hour it's around 279 gram kilowatt hour. So this is the all answers of the related problem, but two things are very important. First of all, what is the standard value of variable parameters? In IC engine, there is a three important variable parameters. One is the atmospheric pressure, second is the environmental air temperature, and third one is the engine water temperature. So calculating the all engine performance parameters, we should take all standard values. That is important is atmospheric pressure, that is always considerable, is 101 kilopascal. Temperature at initial intake air temperature at which the intake air is sucked by the engine is 298 Kelvin or 25 degrees Celsius, and we are using the relation of the density of air to calculate the exact amount, that is P0, that is atmospheric pressure, divided by gas constant R into temperature T0, that is again represent the atmospheric intake air temperature. So the density is 1.181 kg per meter cube and R represent the gas constant of air, that is 0.287 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. The second important point is the brake specific fuel consumption. It is directly related with the fuel economy of the engine. So as the BSFC decreases, as engine speed increases, always remember, if the BSFC decreases means the poor mileage when the engine speed higher. Thank you.